within the 2 hours time. So it's the reading skills which will be followed by the English for social interaction. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. English support mission has left the meeting.
Absolutely. Thank you. Subhranshu, I have an issue with my laptop, so I'm accessing it from my phone.
You're logging in from 2 devices, Nani?
I would like to
You seem to have
just a
logged in
second.
from 2 devices.
Yes, ma'am, you have been logged in from 2 devices. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Is it? I shall switch it off from one device.
You're muted, ma'am, through your laptop. You have to unmute.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am, it's okay now. Yeah.
Okay. So shall I begin now?
Sure, ma'am.
Sure.
Subhranshu, if I open my PPT on my screen, will it be visible to all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nani, for being in a safer side, please also share the slide or PPT to Subhranshu's text so that he can operate in case you have any problem. That's how it goes.
Okay. I think I'll take some time to do that. I'm a little challenged with.
No problem. You can please continue. No problem.
Okay. So, right. A very good afternoon to everyone. Subhranshu has actually given a very kind introduction for both of us. I just believe that we will have something to take away with us after this session, because this is the age of taking everything parcel and takeaway season. Because of COVID, takeaway has become very popular. जोठिक भी हमें गले हमें खाइबा पार्सल करके नहीं आसुचंदी नहीं कि सब किछि ऑनलाइन, right? And at the beginning of the session, I would like to request all the participants to respond. Jaha monore asuchi, tamane aramre respond karibo. If you have any question regarding the session, please make a note of it so that we can address the questions at the end of the session. That will just help us conducting the session in a disciplined way, right? Okay, so I would like to ask few questions to the students at first, but before that, I would like to tell a very brief story. Yeah, so let's hear it.
We all love listening to stories, right, students? Yes.
Yeah, so there was this man, who thought that he's a great devotee of Lord Ganesha, because Lord Ganesha is known as Bigna Harta. Sabbu Bignaru se pura dura kar diyanti Bigna ko, nahi? So and Ganesh bhi jani thile that yes, this man, he chants my names and he prays. Yeah, he's a good human being. So one day what happened, this man went to a beach and he did not know swimming. He was exploring the beach and he was almost drowning, right? So when he was drowning, he thought, oh my God, I'm a great devotee of Lord Ganesha, so Lord Ganesha will come and help me out, right? So he started praying. What happened? If you have been to beaches, then you might have seen the life saviors, like the guards are always there with those life jackets and all. Samudra pakhre to somal thanti trained guards mane jo help karanti. So one guard went and asked him that, do you need help? Shall I save you? Please give me your hand. Then he said, no. I don't need your help. I need Lord Ganesha's help. He will come and protect me. You go away. तो लाइफ गार्ड बहुत रिक्वेस्ट करला किंतु लोकटी कहला ना मु गणेशंकर भक्त तो साक्षात गणेश आसीबे. लाइफ गार्ड वेंट अवे. ओके, तो से पळेला. तापरे कोन हैला ना आउ जण जो सब जानती स्पीड बोट रे आमे टिकट काटी की स्पीड बोट एक्सपीरियंस करंती. देयर इज दिस कपल. सेमन जाउ जो देखिले कि लोकटा बुडी जाउचे, तो सेमन भी हेल्प पे डाकिले केरे उठी आसो आमे हेल्प कर दबो. ही वाज एडमेंट, नो लॉर्ड गणेशा ही आसीबे. तो तांको भी मना कला. Next, कौन है ना आउ गोटे जो वुडन प्लैंक काठर समान डंगा भलिया कही पारो सेटा भी गोटे भासी भासी ता पाखु गला जोटा कि से चढ़ी पारथांता आ से कूଳରେ पहुंची पारथांता ही डिडंट फाइनली गणेश भी सब ऊपर देखुतिले ना सो ही गॉट एंग्री एंड ही केम डाउन देन ही इज लाइक व्हाट्स हैपनिंग विथ यू सी भाबिला गणेश आछन ताको हेल्प करबा को when he said oh lord ganesh finally you are here ganesh kile no I'm not here I'm here to ask that why didn't you take all these help then he said ganesh I'm drowning here and you are there standing and asking me questions and you are also smiling so ganesh kahile I have given birth to you as a human being that's the difference that the things that I provided the lifeguard the boat the couple asking you to save you those are I in different forms who came down to save you तो तुम मैंने आजिकल जो मते बुड़ेला बड़े पूरा नाच गीत डीजे करके बुड़ौच do you realize so the point is the best help that you could give to yourself is the end of your arm माने आम हाथ पाखरे ही आम पई बेस्ट हेल्प दरकार जोटा कि आमे हमको देई परिबा and as human being we have been given this ability to think and act you know I have this friend from Assam who always says if you care you will act जदि आमको लागो जे आम पई हमको किछि करिबा को अछि ताहाले आमे सेटा करिबा भाबिबार हमें बहुत भाबी दियंती काली भोर 4 टा उठिबी मॉर्निंग वॉक रे जिबी जॉगिंग कर देबी एक्सरसाइज कर देबी रूटीन में पाठ पढिबी बहुत रूटीन हुए पुणी से चिरा हे जाए बा तकिया तळे रहि जाए right so the best help that we could do to ourselves is we ourselves yeah so with this note I'll begin the session and I will relate this why did I tell you this story at the beginning yeah so let's ask few questions and I request all the participants to respond to the questions yeah
All the participants, there are already 16 people and we want equal participation from everybody guys. Yeah, Nani.
okay so this is the first quotation that is here all of you could read that's the thing about books they let you travel without moving your feet
Nani, you haven't shared, right? Have you shared a slide?
no sorry I haven't shared
Yeah.
wait Swagatika, would you just tell me where is the share screen option?
There's an arrow where the moment you click the button it says present now. You can just click that. Present now lekha haba tapre you can say a window dele tomar jo thi bi slide अछि सेटा देखा जिवो.
Is it on
Ma'am, in the bottom, the arrow is in the bottom.
okay wait
It's a box kind of a thing. It's a square box with an arrow inside. Right.
Start slideshow. Shall I click that?
Yeah. If your slideshow is ready, it should say start slideshow. You can click on that right away. And if it's not showing, then you may be maybe sending it to Subhranshu. Give a quick mail to him. He would deal with that.
Sorry.
Ma'am, near the end call button, there are 3 dots to the left side of the 3 dots.
Just give me a second. Okay, see, I have opened the slides on my screen.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, you need to come
And
back to
I
Google
have-
Meet. You need to come back to Google Meet.
Okay, wait.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, okay, here.
Then you would find a present button over there. The moment you press the middle button, it says present.
Change layout, full screen.
No,
In that,
not that. It's right in the right in between.
yeah, present now.
Yeah.
तीनटा screen देखा जाउची ना? तीनटा screen देखा जाउची.
Yeah.
So you can click and see any screen that is suitable.
Entire screen.
Entire screen,
No.
yes.
Yeah. I'm not sure if entire screen will show that.
Yeah, entire screen that works.
Can you see now?
No, Didi, you have to say share. No, there's a share button at the bottom.
Hold on. Yeah, yes.
Do that.
cancel button is highlighted, but the
Share button is not highlighted, but there beside the
yeah,
cancel.
it's there. It's there.
You just need to
But I
click on the box first, then share now. It'll be of blue color.
Select the box. Yeah, you need to select the box by clicking on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's done, Nani. Good to go. Congrats.
Okay.
Here we go.
Thank you. I'm so challenged with this
We are-
technology.
We are no less, Nani. It's okay.
Yeah, participants, please bear with me. By now you would have figured out.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's visible.
Now it's visible.
Yes, ma'am. You can make
Okay,
it full
so-
screen. Yeah.
Sure.
Bravo.
Okay. Yeah, here.
Yes.
Right. So, as we all can read, that this is a quotation by Jhumpa Lahiri. People who are not familiar with Jhumpa Lahiri, she is an American writer, very popular for her short stories. She has also got Pulitzer Prize for many of her write-ups. So she says that's the thing about books; they let you travel without moving your feet. And I'm sure most of us love to travel, right? And just like these days that we sit at home and we get n number of things delivered at our doorstep without moving. Yeah, though that's not a healthy habit, that we stop moving and we reduce our movement, but still books let you travel the whole lot of world without moving your feet. And why it's said, let's explore in these questions. So participants, please read the questions and make a note of the responses very quickly. I'll give you a minute or minute and a half, then we will take up your responses. What do you think about these questions? So I'll read the questions for you. The first question is, do you like to read? Yes or no? Please explain why. Second question is, what do you read in your daily lives? Next is, what do you like reading the most? Do you think reading is important? Yes or no? Please explain. Do you remember some of the difficulties while reading something? If yes, list few of them. Okay, before you respond to these questions, participants, you can also respond in Odia, Hindi, or English, or a mix, because I know these three languages and I can also understand Bengali. So if you want to respond in Bengali, that's fine. And don't worry about mistakes and all. Just give me your responses. And when I talk about reading, it's not reading only your course books, I mean prescribed class books. पढ़िबा माने तमे जहाँ भी पढ़ जेकोसी जिनस तुम मुंड को आसी नुहे कि जे आम जो अंक बही साहित्य बही बा इंग्लिश बही बा जोग्राफी बही से गुड़ा नुहे जहाँ भी तुम पढ़ जेकोसी जिनस से गुड़ा मन रे रखिकी प्लीज रेस्पॉन्ड टू दीज क्वेश्चंस. I'll just give you a minute and a half, then we will take up the questions, the responses. Subhranshu, I think that shall be fine.
Yes, ma'am. No problem. Yeah.
Okay.
Sharanya, you can initiate. Maybe you can speak about your experience of reading. Do you like to read, Sharanya?
Yes, ma'am, very much. I love to read.
Okay. So what do you like to read and why do you like to read so much?
I love to read short stories. When I was small, I started reading short stories. I love to read comics and love to read many fantasy stories
Oh, okay, wonderful.
and
So you-
mythological stories.
and mythological stories. Wonderful.
Yes.
Do you believe in those fantasy stories or you just read it as a fantasy?
No, I don't believe. I love reading it, but I don't believe in that.
Okay.
It was when you thought that you shouldn't be believing. Because as a child, I believed whatever I read.
Yes, when I was in class 6, I was 12 or 13.
Yes. I still want to be one of those characters among the fantasy story, but unfortunately that doesn't
Yes.
happen. We are in the real life. Yes.
Yes, when I was very young, I believed in fantasy stories.
Okay, so you think now you are not young?
No, I am young.
Yes, you are. You are. In fact, you are like a child to us.
She was
Yes,
younger
and I-
than even this. She says that she is younger than even this. When she was younger than even what she is.
Yes, when I was 7 or 8, I started reading.
Okay, that's great that you started reading and you have made it as a habit from such an early age.
Yes.
That's really great. Many of us, don't even understand reading even stories or comics, as you said, at that age.
Yes, I started reading books like Chacha Chaudhary and the famous magazine Champak.
Oh, wow. They were my favorites too.
Yes.
And Chanda Mama.
Yes.
The Odia also came, no? Jonna Mamu.
Panchatantra. Yes.
Yes, that were the books which I read first.
Okay, great. And it's really great to know that you got that exposure at your home, to read.
And we are even very close to people who introduce us to those books.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes. Susanani, my mother is here today. She might not know to unmute herself, but she is here.
Oh, great. Mausi Pranam.
Namaste.
Ma, unmute yourself. Mute button press kar diyo.
See, there is a proud mother.
Yes.
Just to see, believe that how her little girl is making her feel proud.
Everybody. We are proud of her. In fact, Ma, you are not heard. I'm making good.
Okay, so can we have the responses
Suchi
now?
Didi, this is Deepika.
Hi, Deepika.
Hi. So good to see you here.
Thank you, virtually.
Yes. So Suchi Didi, could I answer the fourth question?
Sure, why not? Why
Yeah.
not? That's is reading important?
Yes. So I believe reading is absolutely, definitely important for the reason that we being non-native speakers, I believe that is one of the ways we can get a constant exposure to English language. That could be both, as we read the written stuff, so it could be one of the formal ways of exposing ourselves to the formal language, formal expression of language.
Yes, absolutely. Because when we don't know a language, and I guess the first, one of the first modes to take us or to make us familiar to that language is reading.
Yes.
Because we read a whole lot of things when it comes to reading,
Yes.
So yeah, that's a very good point actually, Deepika. Yeah. Would I get some more responses?
I would like to answer the next question as well.
Okay. Do you remember some of the difficulties? Yes.
Yes.
That's
So
it.
this, this takes me back to my childhood memories when my mom, for some reason, she was obsessed with the Hindu newspaper.
Okay.
And we, all the siblings, were introduced to the Hindu newspaper at a very young age. So I should say I was in class 6 or 7 when I did not know the hour of reading.
Okay.
Even then, my mom, was used to force us to read the Hindu newspaper. And the major difficulty I faced while reading that was that we all know the Hindu newspaper, has the very high-end vocabulary, right? So
Yes,
due
yes.
to that, constant occurrence of that high-end vocabulary, I didn't even understand what I was reading. So after a certain period of time, I, lost all the motivation for my reading, and I just told my mom, maybe I can try it after 10 or 15 years, but till date, I couldn't, muster up that courage to go back to the newspaper.
Suchinani, here there's somebody called Sapan who wants to say something. He
Yeah,
has
please.
invited.
Yeah, please.
Sapan, you can unmute yourself, I guess. And then speak.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I love to read because it allows me to go to places where which is not generally found in the world.
Oh,
It allows
great.
me to let my imagination roam wild,
Okay.
to read under the lines, which allows me to like get away from my day-to-day experiences. I generally love reading fictions and all. Most probably not so much documentary, but that helps as well.
Okay.
And the first difficulties that I had while reading was the vocabulary, because I was not so much fluent in vocabulary, and it took me a while, as in 2 to 3 years, to strengthen my reading skills.
Okay.
Thank you. I have that much to say.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Sarpan.
Ma'am, this is
It's,
Chitra.
sorry.
Chitra Sen wants to make a point here. Chitra Sen.
Yeah, Chitra,
Yes.
please go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. I would like to give answer questions number 2.
Question number 2. Yeah. What do you read in your daily lives? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I would like to read books because there is a very fantastic reasons. Because when I have been started reading,
Okay.
reading enhance and boost my understanding skill. Also, reading gives me a lot of profit like that, new vocab, also new knowledge and new wisdom. And I would like to say one practical thing. When I have been started reading, I am feeling so peace and I am feeling so glad and excited to read a lot of books like mythological books and scripture books and I would like to read constitutions also because I because when I have started in reading constitutions, I'm able to know I'm able to know about my country. That's the reason I love to read much more books. Ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Chitrasan. It's actually great to know that many of you like to read and you people remember the difficulties that you faced. And if we got all of the responses, like if we understood it, like many of you or most of us actually have problems with vocabulary. It's because it's a new language that we learn at a later stage of our life, and the point is we haven't got enough exposure in the language. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଘରେ ବି ଆମର ଫର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ଯାହା ମେ ବି ମୋ ଘରେ ଯେମିତି ଓଡ଼ିଆ ତ ଆମେ ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବଡ ହେଇ ଯାଆନ୍ତି ଆମେ ଓଡ଼ିଆର ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଗ୍ରାମାର କୁହ ବା ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଭାଷା କୋଷ ଯେତେ ବଡ ହୁଅନ୍ତି ସେତେ ଅଧିକ ଜାଣି ଯାଆନ୍ତି 2 ବର୍ଷରେ ଆମେ ଯେତିକି ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଜାଣିନଥିବା 5 ବର୍ଷରେ ତାଠୁ ଅଧିକ ଡେଫିନେଟଲି ଜାଣିବା same as with English. It's just a different language. It's not that if we do not know that language or we know it little less, that means our knowledge is less. No, that's not the point. It's just that a different language and we haven't had enough exposure in the language. Yeah, and as all of like you mentioned that vocabulary, I have a very quick suggestion to make here to improve our vocabulary. ଯେମିତି ଯେକୌଣସି metal, luha or our body, if we take our body as an example, because I believe that body is the best piece of engineering which has been created on earth. हमको देखिବାକୁ ବାହାରୁ ଗୋଟେ piece ଲାଗେ, but ଭିତରେ ଯେ କେତେ ତାର mechanisms, all of us might ignore it, but it's there. Yeah, so ଯେମିତି ଆମେ movement କମେଇ ଦେଲେ, ଯୋଉ ଜିନିଷଟା ଗୋଡ଼ ବେଶୀ ନ ଚଲେଇଲେ, ହାତ ବେଶୀ ନ ଚଲେଇଲେ ଆମର ସେଇ ଜାଗା मसल टाइट हो जाए. जमती कि आमे सीजनल खेल आरंभ कले जदि आमे शीत दिन यूजुअली बैडमिंटन स्टार्ट करंती आमे जदि थ्रू आउट द ईयर प्रैक्टिस न थाए जेबे स्टार्ट करंती 2-4 दिन गोड़ हाथ उठेई हुएनी बिकॉज मसल सब टाइट हे किता. सिमिलरली if we do not use the language, we do not practice the language, then nobody can help us. आमे सबबळे बहुत भाबिबा and it's a great thing to realize where is my problem or what is my difficulty. ସେଇଟା ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ବହୁତ ପିଲାମାନେ ଆମେ ସେଇଟା ବି ଜାଣିପାରନ୍ତିନି ଯେ ଆମର କୋଉଠି ଅସୁବିଧା ହଉଛି. We are a step ahead that we know what is my difficulty. So ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ first story କହିଥିଲି that the best way or the best help that you could find is right at the end of your arm. ତ ଆମେ ଜାଣି ସାରିଲେଣି next step, if we care we will act. ତ ଆମେ ତାକୁ improve କରିବା ପାଇଁ what are the strategies that we should do and practice. And vocabulary ପାଇଁ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ word ଦିନକୁ ଯଦି ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଶବ୍ଦ ଶିଖିବା କାହାଠୁ ଶୁଣି ଥାଇପାରନ୍ତି, କୌଣସି ଆଡଭର୍ଟାଇଜମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଦେଖି ଥାଇପାରନ୍ତି, କୌଣସି ଟିଭି ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମରୁ ବି ଶୁଣି ପାରିଥାନ୍ତି ବା କୌଣସି ବହିରୁ ପଢିଥାନ୍ତି. One new word. In a day's time, you will get a plenty of words, but choose one. Okay? ଯଦି ଆମେ ସପ୍ତାହକୁ 7ଟା ନୂଆ ୱାର୍ଡ ଶିଖିଲେ, ମାସକୁ ଆମେ 30ଟା ଶିଖିଲେଣି, ହେଲେ ଆମକୁ 365 ଦିନରେ କେତେଟା ଶିଖିବା ଗୁଣନ ପଛରେ କରିକି ବାହାର କରିବା. You can see that it's a huge number, but you have to remember जो word टा तमे आज शिखिलो, then you need to practice it the very next day. Start practicing it immediately and keep practicing. नुहे कि जे आज word टा शिखिली, आज याको गोटे वाक्य रे व्यवहार कर देबी, सरला तापरे सेटा खाता बंद. No, if we do that, then we won't, improve our vocabulary. So it's a quick strategy to improve our vocabulary. So with these questions, I'll just quickly tell you that, I'm Jemti Chitra Sen and Sapan, they mentioned, even Deepika, she mentioned it's an exposure to language. And I guess Sapan mentioned that, it's an escape for him from his routine life, which might be some days dull and boring, to a place, imaginary place where he feels very comfortable and relaxed, and he can do whatever he wants to do, and he can act in whatever way he wants to act. Yeah. So besides that, research has also found, that reading helps us treating serious psychological disorders. पढ़िबा द्वारा पढ़ा अभ्यास थिले बहुत माने सिवियर सीरियस साइकोलॉजिकल मानसिक रोग भी दूर होई पारे. जेमति आमे बहुत लोक विश्वास करन. इट आल्सो वर्क्स. म्यूजिक इज क्वाइट हीलिंग. म्यूजिक सुनिले बहुत भल लागे. सेमति पढ़िबा अभ्यास भी थिले बहुत जिंस सॉल्व होई पारे. And remember, and to this many of us might relate, that reading brings you good sleep. पढ़ा अभ्यास थिले हमको निद बढ़िया आसे. एटा तो बहुत आमे समस्त जानी थिबा, जेमति कि जेतेबेले घरे लेट नाइट रे पढ़िया को कहिबे, बहिटा धरला माने जे कुंभकर्ण कुआडू आसी कि हमको आशीर्वाद करंती, सेटा बा निद्रा देवी कुआडू आसी कि आशीर्वाद करन, सेटा समस्त जानी थिबा, राइट? नो, रिसर्च also shows if you have reading habit, then it brings you good sleep. And आजिर टाइम रे व्यस्त दुनिया रे समस्त को भलो निद पाइबा पई, it's a dream for many. Yeah, so make it a habit. And as all of you have already said, that it helps us improving our vocabulary, it lets us learn new things, it lets us learn new culture, new people, new places, new practices without moving anywhere. Yeah, so these are some of the benefits of reading. Let's just move to next slide. I'll quickly tell you the difference between these three terms and why I chose these terms, because when we talk about reading skills or skill, we might be sometimes confused with relating it to knowledge and ability. That's why I just thought a quick glance at this will be helpful for us in order to understand what do we mean by a skill. Yeah. So when we talk about knowledge, it means the theoretical understanding of something which is acquired through learning or experience, and it increases with experience and more practice. Example, knowing how to make a cup of tea. Knowledge रो अर्थ होची ज्ञान, आमे जोटा साधारण तो कहंती ज्ञान, ए ज्ञानटा केमती हेता थियोरेटिकल बा प्रैक्टिकल हेता है. जो मन तम माने क्लास 10 पढ़े, जो माने कॉमर्स पढ़िबो बा साइंस पढ़िबो बा आर्ट्स पढ़िबो, बहुत सब्जेक्ट्स अछि जो गुडा के प्रैक्टिकल क्लास हमको निया जाए. थ्योरी रे हमको क्लास रे पढ़ा जाए, समान जिनसटा प्रैक्टिकल क्लास रे केमती करिबा हमको लैबोरेटरी रे करिबा को पड़े, राइट? जो माने एजुकेशन पढ़िबो, टीचिंग क्लास केमती पढ़ा जाए सिखा हबो, पुनी तम मान को भी दिया जिवो क्लास नबो, साइंस एक्सपेरिमेंट्स. आउ जो माने कॉमर्स पढ़िबो, आई एम श्योर जदी कंप्यूटर साइंस ने लो प्रोग्रामिंग सिखिबो, सेटा को पुनी केमती कंप्यूटर रे प्रैक्टिस करिबो, प्रैक्टिकल क्लास दिया जिवो. एठी मु जेमती एग्जांपल देछि, नोइंग हाउ टू मेक अ कप ऑफ टी. बहुत लोग अरे चा बनिया रे कोन अछि, खीर ढाल दो, चापत्ती ढाल दो, चीनी ढाल दो, बस हे गल्ला. तो सेमती हेले हमें कंचा खीर भी सब मिसे कि पी देले भी पेट भितर चाहा हे जिवो, राइट? So that's the theoretical knowledge. Yeah. And if we come to ability, if I translate this, dakhyata, being able to do something, right? I am able to wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning, but I don't. Mu 5टा बेले उठी पारिबी किंतु मु उठुनी. So that's ability. Yeah. And it can be improved, right? And example रे जेमती अछि ability to pay attention to details or ability to observe minutely. Now, all of us are not able to pay attention to minute details. तमे जदि if you have traveled to Konark or Lord Jagannath's temple, or if you travel to these pandals, you know, मूर्ति जो पूजा मूर्ति समय रे जो सरू सरू कारुकार्य हेइथाए सेटा समस्ते तार जो सौंदर्यटाକୁ ଉପଭୋଗ କରିପାରନ୍ତିନି କାରଣ ସମସ୍ତେ ଦୂର ଜଣେ ଦେଖେ ଫୁଲ ତ ହେଇଛି ଗୋଟେ ମୁକୁଟ ତ ହେଇଛି କିନ୍ତୁ କେତେ ଯେ ସରୁ କାମ ହେଇଛି ଗୋଟେ ମିସ୍ତ୍ରୀକୁ ତାକୁ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଯେ କେତେ ସମୟ ଲାଗିଛି ତାର କେତେ ଦକ୍ଷତା ମାଇନ୍ୟୁଟ ଅବଜର୍ଭେସନ ରେ ହିଁ ସେଟା ଜଣା ପଡେ. I'll just tell you a joke regarding this minute observation ଟା କେମିତି ହୁଏ. You know, I have this auntie at my home. She has this habit of asking you if you have gone to a marriage party and she hasn't gone with you. The moment you come back, she'll ask you, did the bride wear a bangle? Acha tara kanno fulo thila, haro ketita pinthila, mudi ketita pinthila. And I'm somebody who just goes and, you know, I'm more interested in the food than the jewelry of the bride, you know. So those are the questions I'm asked usually by that auntie of mine when I come back. So that's called minute observation. You know, I need to observe minutely the jewelry, what she has worn. Yeah, some people are interested in that. Yeah, so that's our ability. And when we come to skill, Anand sir tamanku class re day before yesterday, I guess, tanko class re bhalo bhabare kahichanti what's a skill. It's a skill, it's proficiency developed through training or experience, and it requires regular practice in order to be developed. Example, tea making skill. Mu theoretically janiba je chahar mane hoje khiro chaha chini pani misei deba ba taku kori ki dekheiba thik se kori ki practically kori ki taku chaha kape tama samne re thoiba is my skill to make a cup of tea. So that's the difference that we see between knowledge, ability and skill. And I would like all of you not to be confused in future when we talk about skill. Swimming is a skill. Yeah. Similarly, in every language, Odia ho, Hindi ho, English ho, Sanskrit ho, Bengali ho, Santali ho, jaha bhi, pratek language re amara basically 4 kinds of skills achi: reading, writing, listening and speaking. Aji ame basically reading skills and speaking upare dekhiba ajiro class re. And this is what we mean by skill and why do we need it. This is a learned ability to perform an action with determined results with good execution, usually within a given amount of time and energy, or both. Anand sir se dina kahithile skill ro artha eta gote dakhyata jota ame sikhitanti ki time re gote particular time bhitare kette energy dele kette kon amku result milibo. It's always planned. Sir jemti kahuthile ki mu mate plan out kariya padibo 2 घंटा mu khelibi 2 घंटा मोर खाइबा खाइबा रे जीवो 4 घंटा मु पढ़ीबी 6 घंटा मु सोईबी. That's within the given amount of time. You know, that's my skill, that how do I conduct myself in a day, or how do I carry my day out, a day's routine as a student. Okay, the ability to do something in a competent manner. चाहाटा समस्ते तैयारी कर देबे किंतु बहुत कम लोक देखिबो चाहाटा करि सरला परे गैस भी परिष्कार थिबो, चाहा डब्बा चीनी डब्बा ता जगह थिबो, क्षीर पड़ी नथिबो, चाहा चारियाडे छिटकी नथिबो. Now that's called doing something in a competent manner. Now helps us find new ways and strategies of approaching anything we do with competence. Jemti ki amaro Chitrasen and Sapan and Deepika, they said that the ability, the read, if we know how to read and how to read well, then it helps us go to new places, learn new vocabulary, learn new sentence structures, understand different structures in English. Yeah. So this actually familiarizes us with new ways and approaches to different language with competence, that we won't make more mistakes if we read a lot, if we practice a lot, yeah, if we are exposed to reading a lot. Okay, so now we'll quickly go because I want you people to practice more than listening to me more. एगुड़ा सबू आनंद सर हमको भलो तुमको से दिन भलो भाबरे कहि चंती जे कोनोसी रीडिंग हो जे कोनोसी भाषा रे रीडिंग हो ओडिया हो जहां भी हो, these are the things that we do, you know. We do skimming. तमे skimmed milk सुनिथिबो, क्षीर रो आमे जो लोहुणी बाहर कर दियंती, right? So look for overall information. And मु जेतबे पढिबा कहूची मु केवल क्लासरूम रो बही पढिबा कहूनी, तमे रास्ता रे गले केते एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स पढुचो, घर को इनविटेशन कार्ड आसले हमें फर्स्ट देखंती भोजी को दिन अछि आ को जगह रे अछि, या शॉपिंग मॉल को जानती हमें जदी ऑफर देखंती हमें देखंती अच्छा को जिंस ऊपर केते परसेंट ऑफर अछि, मते को जिंस दरकार, राइट? सो स्किमिंग जेतबे हमें पढंती गोटे जिनस तार ओवरऑल इनफॉरमेशन कौन जनरली जिनसटा कौन घरे तुम अच्छो कि गोटे छोट पिला बा वयस्क लोक जहाँ को देखा जाउनी गोटे कौन डॉक्यूमेंट आनिकी तुमको देबे अरे बाबूरे कि झीओरे एटा पढ़ी मते बुझाई देलु व्हाट डज इट हैव now when you explain that information to them that's you will quickly read it and tell them the general information now that's skimming and scanning the examples that I said when you look for a shopping advertisement in a mall you look okay I need to buy groceries so what are the discounts in grocery you directly look to the grocery section yeah now that's scanning looking for a particular information not being distracted with lot of offers there in the hoarding yeah now visualizing making a mental map of the text as Sapan and Chitrasen mentioned that they can go to the places they can live or they can act according to their wish so while reading the first Sharanya I guess who mentioned that she would read those mythological stories and fantasy stories and she used to believe that means she used to create a mental map that okay maybe I'm the princess definitely she is a princess yeah so that's making a mental map of the text the thing that you read how do you relate it in your mind so that you connect with the text better now making connections it's related with the previous point that we relate the text with our own experience and when we do this we better understand the text and we understand it easily and we understand it fast now inference is reading between the lines sometimes certain things are not said directly so you have to infer the meaning बेरे बेरे आमे कहते ना अच्छा से मते एया कहिदेला ना एक्चुअली से मते थट्टा करथला so that is reading between the lines something which is not said directly but intended something else now asking questions forming opinions making predictions and summarizing these are also some of the skills that we practice while reading question the first slide I showed to you had you asked those questions to yourself even before starting the session you might have number of questions in your mind looking at the maybe the poster okay these are the two ladies going to teach us what are they going to do will they meet our expectations how will be how will they be the classes they will conduct the classes so you might have made some predictions okay she looks like she'll do a good job maybe she won't yeah so these are making predictions ଆମେ ଦେଖିକି ଭାବିଥିବ ଯଦି ରିପୋର୍ଟ କାର୍ଡରେ ଖରାପ ସ୍କୋର ଆସିଛି ଘରକୁ ଆସିକି ମାଙ୍କୁ ବାପାଙ୍କୁ ରିପୋର୍ଟ କାର୍ଡଟା ଦେବା ବେଳକୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ରେସନ ଦେଖିକି ଆମେ ପ୍ରେଡିକ୍ସନ ମାନେ ମନରେ ହେଇଯାଇଥାଏ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଲାଗୁଛି ଗାଳିଟା ଜୋରେ ପଡିବ କାରଣ ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସରେ ଭଲ ହେଇନି ଲାଗୁଛି ବଞ୍ଚିଯିବେ କାରଣ ଇଂଲିଶରେ ଭଲ ସ୍କୋର ଅଛି so these are the predictions that we make in our mind yeah so while reading we also make predictions okay next paragraph ରେ କଣ ହବାକୁ ଯାଉଛି ଯେମିତି मैच देखिला बेले बा टीवी रे प्रोग्राम्स देखिला बेले हमको लगन ओहो या परटा बोथे 6 हबो आहा आ पर हैप्पी एंडिंग हबो सिमिलरली while reading a text you also make predictions next paragraph रे कोन हबो what is the change characters change हेबे place change हबो बा जो जिनस कंटेंट रे कोन directions different directions it's आसीबो you think and you start making predictions while reading and summarizing is another sub skill that you require कारण तमे माने जेते बळे तम एग्जाम्स रे भी आसुथुबा and when you go for higher studies you are given this reading text आउ तमे जे कोनसी चाकरी पई भी भविष्य रे अप्लाई सब करिवो तार जो written exams you are given a text or a paragraph and you are asked to read and summarize or you are asked to answer questions so for all these things that you are going to come across or you are going to face in terms of reading in future these are the skills that we must know ame odia re padhantu english re padhantu hindi re padhantu je konasi language we are comfortable with we must know these skills yeah so with this okay now whatever I have shown to you in these slides I would like you to practice yeah Subhrangshu
Yes, ma'am.
Just a second I would like to share a Word document now how do I do that
You have to open the Word document.
okay
Yeah, so it will be shared automatically. Yeah, we can see that. Yes.
okay So this is participants. Now it's your time to talk. Your time to respond. Yeah. Right. So I'll just quickly tell you the instruction for each task. Now I hope all of you can read the sentences.
Could you please make it wider, maybe?
Did it give you slightly increase font size?
The size could be increased. When there's a
Font size.
A little more?
Is it fine now?
Better.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, as the instruction goes, let's read the following sentences and guess the meaning of the phrases in bold. Now, here you have to read the sentence. तुमको वाक्यटा पढ़ी जो फ्रेजटा बोल्ड लेटर रे अछि माने टिके कळा अधिक देखा जाउची जेमति कि फर्स्ट सेंटेंस रे काउंटिंग ऑन तार मीनिंग तुमको तार मानेटा तुमको गेस करके कहिबाको पड़िबो. That's what we do when we read anything. Yeah, when we come across a new word, the first thing that Anand sir bhi kahithile that you try to guess. I mean, immediately phone the dekhi daba, Google the search kar daba purbaru. Let's try to guess. Kana seita tumko independent reader in future baneiba. Jadi tame सबल dependent हबाकू चाहुना. The more you read, the more familiar you become, right? And jemti ki Anand sir kahithile, we always should carry or we should have a physical dictionary instead of these online ones. They help, but it's always better if you have a hard copy because technology can what do I say shut down at any point of time. Yeah. So the first sentence is.
Maybe somebody can read, Nani. Ask.
Yeah, that will be better. That will be better.
There's a student called Sudhanshu Shekhar here. Would you initiate? Read the line. You could see the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Sudhanshu. Yes,
Good afternoon.
On board. Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Please read the first sentence
Yes,
and
ma'am.
explain whatever you understand.
Yes, ma'am. See, I have not read much on this topic, so I am counting on you for the questions to come in conference.
Right.
Yeah. So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
counting
Yeah.
on the money? What do
Yes,
you think?
She's depending upon Sam to depending upon Sam.
Exactly. Absolutely correct. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Nice. So counting on a new addition of vocabulary to your bank, guys. Counting on. Such a beautiful phrase.
Absolutely. It means to depend. Yeah. When you can depend on somebody. Yeah. So shall we move to the second sentence?
Yeah. Kunilata, people who haven't participated previously can also do.
Yeah. Please. That will be wonderful.
Kunilata Das. Subhranshu, you can also participate. I think it's a learning for you too.
Sure, ma'am. Sure,
Can I,
sure.
ma'am? Can I, ma'am?
Yeah. Please.
Yeah. Second one. Unfortunately, I lost all the contact number on my phone and I don't have any backup too. Backup means I think the restore.
Yes.
Sorry. I couldn't hear it.
Yes, ma'am. Backup means I think restore something one.
You couldn't restore?
You couldn't restore the numbers.
Okay, you are quite close. Anyone else?
Ma'am, if may I?
Please go ahead.
Unfortunately, I lost all the contact numbers on my phone and I don't have any backup too.
Yeah.
I believe here backup means not having any additional spaces or place where the numbers are stored.
Exactly. Not having any space where you had already stored your contact numbers.
Good, great.
Exactly.
Great.
Absolutely. Great.
Thanks,
Shall we
thanks.
move to the third sentence?
May I read the next one, ma'am? Third
Sure,
one?
Please, Subhranshu.
Welcome on board, Subhranshu.
He stood frozen with fear when his mother
Yeah.
caught him stealing. He stood frozen means he was very much frightened. He was terrified. When he saw his
Exactly.
mother, he was caught red-handed.
Yes. Yes.
changes without even asking our opinion. One
Sorry,
student
sorry.
fumed.
Someone else
Someone
was
was
trying
saying
to
something. Yes, yes, someone was saying something. Couldn't be heard, guys. Repeat whatever you said, whoever said.
Actually, ma'am, I was reading the sentences. I was not intent to tell something.
It's okay. It's okay. You can go ahead. You can take the lead. I think Subhranshu has already answered.
Sure, ma'am.
Nimai, you can read the fourth one and explain.
Yeah, please go
Yeah,
ahead with the quote.
Okay. They made changes without even asking our opinion. One student fumed. Fume means maybe said angrily.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Frozen.
They're extremely angry because changes were made without asking their opinion.
So two kind of emotions are displayed in the third and the fourth sentence.
Yes.
First one is very scared, and the second one is very angry. Very nice.
Angry, absolutely.
Great, great.
Is there someone who can go with sentence number 5?
Sharanya, Sapan, Kunilata.
May I?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Sharanya, welcome.
Yes, ma'am. The fifth one is usually I'm glued to the television. It just means that he or she is
Nani, you have stopped the agency.
Sorry.
Yeah,
Is it visible now?
yeah. It is.
Yeah, sorry.
Yes. It means that I sit in front of a television when there is a football match. I don't leave the place when I am watching the television.
Sharanya, would you just explain it? I didn't get you.
Okay,
Sharanya.
ma'am. This sentence means glued to means that he is sitting in front of the television and watching the television when there is any football match, and he don't leave that place. He is watching the
Exactly.
television with full concentration.
Exactly. Glue mane अठा, glued to the television mane अठा भलिया जोक भलिया टीवी सहित लागि जिबा जेतरे फुटबॉल मैच चले. Absolutely.
ଆମେ ଯେମିତି ଏବେ କମ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟର ସହ ମୋବାଇଲ ସହ ଅଠା ଭଳିଆ ଲାଗିକି ଅଛୁ.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly. Yeah, absolutely. Wonderful responses. Shall we have someone for sentence number 6?
Yes, I think Sapan or Kunilata, whoever hasn't participated yet, guys, come on.
I guess Kunilata can respond.
Kunilata Das, would you unmute yourself? Okay, Sapan Tripathi. I don't know if we could reach to her. Sapan Tripathi.
Yes, ma'am.
Respond. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome.
To remove the cake, turn the tin upside down and tap lightly on the bottle to loosen it. I believe here the term upside down means to invert the place or the utensil where we are making the cake.
Absolutely. It's invert. Man, ulte daba. Upside down.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
and if we have two phrases, upside and down, are quite opposite, but it means ulte daba. To invert. Absolutely. Yeah. Thank you so much.
There's this Nimai.
You can go ahead with sentence number 7.
Nimai, you can go with sentence.
Okay. Salon's parent knew it well that he was showing crocodile tears without really realizing his mistakes. Means crocodile tears means he was showing something else that he was something else rather than reality.
Yes. Very nice. He is trying to explain actually.
Absolutely. False tears. Kumbira kandana.
False. Yeah.
False emotions.
Which are not true. Absolutely.
Have you done any such thing in your childhood, Nimai?
Yes, ma'am. I have many times done this.
So honest in that. So,
Okay.
everybody, no childhood is complete without crocodile tears, right, Sachina?
Yeah, can we read sentence number 8?
Sentence number 8. Anybody? Anurag Kumar is a new joinee here. Hi, Anurag. Anurag Kumar, would you unmute yourself, please? I don't know if people could hear us. Maybe people who are present actively can participate. Would you like to nominate someone, Nani?
I can't see the names, you know.
Okay. Anybody who would like to respond? Active participants.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. May I?
Sudhanshu wants to try. Sudhanshu, welcome.
Yes, ma'am. There is something fishy about the tenant.
Tenant.
She is behaving strangely.
Yeah.
Means she has done something wrong. That's why she behaving strangely.
Okay. Close to response. Yeah, fishy means suspicious. Right? There's something fishy about the tenant.
Something
I mean,
she's hiding.
আমি তো କିଛି ଭୁଲ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ବୁଝୁ କୁନମୁନ ହେଇକି ଯାଆନ୍ତି ଆମ କୁନମୁନିଆ ଚାହାଣୀରୁ ପେରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ମାନେ ବୁଝାନ୍ତି କିଛି ଗୋଟେ କାରବାର ତ ଇଏ କରିଛି ମାନେ ଏମିତି କାହିଁକି ହଉଛି so that's fishy yeah I'm close you are very close yeah so next sentence 9
Deepika wants to make a point, Suchina.
Didi,
Yeah,
please, just a confirmation. You know, my Hindi is not that good. I just wanted to, confirm this. Is it something like "Dal mein kuch kala hai"?
exactly
Wow,
that
Deepika.
कुछ काला है
Look at
जरूर
that.
काला है कुछ
Look at that.
absolutely that's the saying in Hindi as it goes yeah
Yes.
right
Kuch to gadbad hai.
sentence number 9 yeah
9. Who else is here to participate? Sapan, Chitra Sen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Sapan, you can go for the next one.
Yes, surely. Thank you. These days, fast food shops are mushrooming everywhere. It shows people's craze for junk food. Here, I believe mushrooming means blooming out everywhere, as in a large quantity, in a huge number.
absolutely in large number if you relate the word mushroom जोटा कि छत्तू usually छत्तू गछर nature जोठी लगेले पूरा माने
Yes, ma'am.
मिली जाए बहुत ही जाए
After rainy day, it blooms around in huge quantities.
absolutely
There's no full stop to mushroom cultivation. Yeah.
so mushrooming everywhere okay so can we read the last sentence in this task sentence number 10
Yes, Nimai, Chitra Sen, anybody? Chitra Sen, Nag, would you? Anybody, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Chitra Sen, you can do the last one.
You will be touched by its beauty when darkness fills and envelops the town. It means envelops means I think closer to someone. I think
sorry
No.
closing with someone.
no try to relate it with the word envelope जो थे हमें चिट्ठी पूरे की पठांती envelope रे
Yes, ma'am.
We have
try to
also
relate
done
it to
this.
that
We have also done this in the last class. Chitra Sen, if you could relate to the last chapter of prose that we did.
Yes.
I think whole town will be covered by
Yes.
darkness.
yes it's covered with darkness yeah if you have realized in these 10 sentences the words that you came across are related with the words you already know and in most of the sentences you got the answers absolutely correct because you could understand it from the context and similar practice you have to do when you read anything yeah that will help you understanding new words and improving your vocabulary you always don't need to fall back on a dictionary so the first thing that you should do to improve yourself is to try from your end yeah so we'll move to the next task okay so you have to read the following paragraph
36 now. So,
yeah so what I'll do is
can we
Okay.
can we give it to them for later? You know, they can do it later. Or if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
want to continue, I don't mind, Nani. It's
no
okay.
no that shall be fine what I'll do is let us just do one more task and then we the participants what I can do is I can share these practice texts with Subhranshu and maybe you can collect it from
No,
him
listen, let them do this. No, it's okay. For the last half an hour, we can do the speaking. It's okay. Let them do this. We can have a rapid fire.
are
session.
you sure
Yeah. No problem. Anyways, they are learning. So
Okay.
This is, yeah,
so
let them do
you
it.
can you can read the following paragraph and write a summary in your own words summary lekhiba ba paraphrase koriba is very important when you read, and I'm sure you have these tasks in your course book, English course book. तो प्रत्येक जिनस summary lekhibar भी गोटे अच्छी हमें केमती summary lekhiba कथा. So here is a sample just to let you know how should we write a summary, or how should you approach writing the paraphrase of a text. So while reading these paragraphs, please make note of or pay attention to the words in bold. Yeah. So I'll give Swagatya will give them a minute and a half.
No, it's take your time, Ane. It's okay. Because something will be.
We will give them 1.5 minutes to read this paragraph.
Complete the task. Sure. So what they are supposed to do?
They are supposed to read this paragraph, and at the end I will show them also the summary. So they will understand how a summary is written. So basically they need to read and pay attention to the words in bold.
Yeah. I think we need time. This is a very good exercise that kids must be exposed to. So I can defer my session some other day, Nani. Let's continue with this. This is some learning. We shouldn't be having time crunches for such things. We have 1 more hour, so they can focus on this task rather than rushing.
So participants, just take 2 minutes and just read. And at the end, someone of you can tell us the summary in your own words.
Yeah.
जहाँ बुझिलो ये text पढ़ी सरला परे हमको गोटे मिनिट रे तुम माने कहि दबो.
Is this the entire text, Nani? I think there's something else. Are there only 2 paragraphs in this text?
There are 3 paragraphs.
3 paragraphs are there.
Yeah. So
What is
here
the-
goes the first paragraph.
Screen टिके enlarge कर देने से उन्हें खोल के देखी पाएंगे.
Okay.
If you could go to the enlarge button also, the screen. Yeah. It's better now. It's much better now.
Okay.
Much better now.
So please read the paragraphs quickly so that I'll scroll down to the next paragraph.
All of you. Subhranshu.
Subhranshu must be reading.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm reading.
He is our savior.
No.
Just let me know so that I'll scroll it down.
You can mute yourself, Nani, no problem. You can mute yourself. Don't ask him to stop, no? You can mute yourself.
He is ceaseless.
It's okay. He's also enjoying, he's exposing himself to reading skills. Let him do that.
Ma'am, could you please pull down the
Sure, I will. So, yeah. We have 3 paragraphs. So, this is the 3rd paragraph, 2nd and 3rd. Is it done?
Yes, ma'am. If you may allow me.
Okay, yeah, please go ahead.
The passage begins by redefining this age as the age of science. The numerous miracles brought on by the advent of science, as in the fields of transportation, space exploration, medicines, etc. Next, it moves on to the field of medicine and informs us that science has worked wonders with medicines, as well as the advent of electricity is another important scientific invention which made our life comfortable. Also, it informs us about the numerous involvements of scientific progress in the fields of cultivation and reduction of natural disasters, as in floods, by the involvement of science in such areas as well. Also, it says that finally science makes our life happy, comfortable.
Happy and comfortable.
Happy and comfortable. I have that much to say, ma'am.
Yeah, beautiful presentation, Sapan. And I would like to give this presentation an example to all the participants present here, that how should we approach to write a summary. Usually we have to remember that summary is paraphrasing the text and expressing it in your own words what the text contains. Now, if you have observed the text, we had 3 paragraphs, but how beautifully Sapan presented it in a very crisp and brief manner, and that's exactly how you should do while writing a summary. Summary लेखिला बेले आमर ओरिजिनल टेक्स्ट जेतिकी लंबा थिबो आमकु तार लेंथ बहुत कमे दबाकू पड़िबो. If you have heard a term called pressy writing, 1/3 माने जदि आमर 30टा वर्ड रो ओरिजिनल टेक्स्ट अछि आमर समरी टा 10टा वर्ड रे हबा उचित, कारण आमे समरी टा जनरल आइडिया दबा, डिटेल्स टा आमर डिटेल टेक्स्ट रे थाए. And if you observe Sapan's presentation, he used these words next, then, and. That means these are the advancements that science has offered us. He used these connecting words, yeah, to link the ideas, to relate the ideas, and to relate the sentences. Now, while we write anything, tame jaha bhi lekho, advertisement lekho, chithi lekho, kavita lekho, goppo lekho, answer lekho, पूर्व सेंटेंस सहित पर सेंटेंस रो संपर्क थिबा निहाती जरूरी. पूर्व सेंटेंस रे लेखिबो गतकाली भारी वर्षा होतला, नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस थिबो मु एबे भात खाउची, केही पढिबेनी. So there must be a link between the sentences, and those that establishment or that link we connect or we establish by using these linkers. Firstly, secondly, then, next, but, and. Yeah, there's so many linkers, so you have to remember this. Another important thing that you would have observed Sapan doing, that he did not use the word I. When you write a summary, you have to remember you are not supposed to give your opinion. मते लागुची विज्ञान बढ़िया करची, मते लागुची विज्ञान रो किछि अवदान नाही. No, तुमको लागिबा न लागिबा is not expected in a summary. In a summary, you are supposed to present what is there in the text. You are not supposed to add your personal opinions while writing a summary. These are the basic things that we must remember while writing a summary. And thank you so much, Sapan, for making my task or my work easier.
Thank you.
Yeah, most welcome. I will quickly show you the summary of this text, and you can see the link below the summary. This is the link from where I have downloaded this text. And तम मानकु मु एठी कहि रखिबी जे तम माने आजिकली फोन बा इंटरनेट व्यवहार करिवारे very experienced and almost experts, but let's not use that expertise only in using Facebook or that Moj, TikTok, TikTok, say sabu, but also use it for your academic reasons.
I wish this show would be circulated among them. It would be very useful.
I don't mind. I can send it to Subhranshu or.
He would take it forward. No?
Yes, ma'am. I'll share it in the group. No problem.
Sure. This would be highly helpful for them.
And from this link, you can get number of practice materials that you could practice just lying down on your bed. सोईकी आराम रे जदियो सेटा गोटे भलो अभ्यास नुह तथापि न करिबाटु तो बेटर एटलिस्ट किछि देखि दबो किछटा
Any
पढि दबो
slides, those presentation, no,
Yeah.
that should be also shared among students for their reference.
Sure, I'll do that. No problem. Yeah, so I'll just quickly move to the next task. Okay, see, there is a very small 4-line paragraph. Just read the paragraph quickly and answer the questions that follow, and just give a title. Would someone like to read it aloud?
Yeah, that is better.
Yes, ma'am. Can I?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay. So this is text one. Today, many people prefer to travel independently. Firstly, they decide where they want to go and think about the details, such as how long they want to stay, where they want to stay, how they will get there, how much it will cost, when they will go, and what they need to take.
Yeah. So, would you like to give a title to the paragraph or text? Any appropriate title.
You can read it silently, maybe for a minute.
Yeah.
Do it possible for you to do. Everybody, come up with titles. It would be interesting.
Yeah, any one of you can just come up with a title that you think it will suit the text. Please.
Nimai has to say something. Nimai.
Itinerary something.
Sorry?
Ma'am, itinerary, I think.
Itinerary, yeah.
What do you mean by
Itinerary could be a title.
What
Could
do
you
you mean by
explain?
yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
What do you mean by itinerary that you just said? That's a very interesting word. Even to hear it sounds so good. What do you mean by that?
Itinerary means plan of going somewhere.
Very good. The plan of the travel, of the journey. that you-
Absolutely. Or you could also give it a title called planning a trip
Yeah.
or planning to
Planning
travel.
a trip. That could be a very nice title. Yeah.
Yes. So, as the question goes, so from the text, what do you understand that how do people like to travel these days? Maybe one more response.
Independently.
Absolutely. People these days like to travel independently. And how many details are mentioned in the text?
How long they want to stay, where they want to stay, and how will he get there.
Yes.
How much it
And
will
what's
cost?
the expense that they're going to bear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And what's the appropriate time they shall go? And what are the things they need to carry with them? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
That will help them to
And what's the thing that they need to decide first?
First of all, they decide to go where to go.
Exactly, the place. Now all of us must remember picnic जेतबे हमरो plan हुए हमें केमती माडोर लागंती जे को जगह को हमें जिबा. So it's a similar situation, yeah. The first important thing to decide is the venue, the place. Yeah. So with this, we'll move to the next task, a similar task where just any one of you can read it aloud quickly. It's a small paragraph.
Ma'am,
Please go ahead.
Sure.
most people take too much when they travel. Travel light is the sky. Sorry, is the key. Remember, you will have to carry it, and heavy luggage soon become a nightmare. Take enough clothes, but not too many. A towel, soap, shampoo, and your travel document and money.
Okay. So the first question goes, what do most people take when they travel? ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ travel କରନ୍ତି ଆମେ ମାନେ କଣ ନେଇ ଯାଆନ୍ତି ବହୁତ ଲୋକ କଣ କରନ୍ତି
They carry their clothes.
Yeah. The answer is they carry too much. They're in the
Heavy
first
luggage.
sentence. Yeah, heavy luggage. Yeah.
Heavy.
So what's the best solution?
To Carry just what is enough, like the towel, soap.
What's the phrase? What's the phrase that gives the answer to this question?
Take enough clothes.
Travel light, right?
But not too many.
Not too many. Exactly. Travel light is the key.
Yes.
Okay, which 6 items you should take with you? It's there in the text, yeah? All of you can read it.
So which skill are we using? It's a very interesting question. Which skill? Which skill are we applying or employing here? Yeah,
Looking for something specific, right?
specific information. Yes.
Yeah, we are looking for specific information, yeah? And what does the word nightmare mean?
Nightmare means
A bitter experience.
Bitter experience, a very terrible, bad, unwanted, uninvited dream. Bura sapna, dusapna.
Which is going to spoil your trip.
Right, so, okay. See, this is a table that shows the amount of rainfall and temperature at a particular place. And based on the table, you have to look at the table and answer the questions which are followed. So if you can look at the table and tell me what's the average temperature in September in C means Celsius. You can see in the vertical line, Monalos is the imaginary name of it. Yeah.
12 by 5, ma'am.
I have asked in C.
12 degrees. 12 degrees centigrade.
Yes, it's 12.
Yeah.
12, yeah. It's Celsius 12 because see, in the vertical column, you have C oblique or C/F, you know. So F is for the number.
Fahrenheit scale.
Yeah, Fahrenheit scale is the number which is represented after the slash. Yeah. So 12 is the right answer. Let's see.
Thank you, Nisha. Suchinandi, this is one of my neighbor. She's kind enough to attend the session.
Oh,
Nisha,
thank you, Nisha. Thank you, Nisha, for making this.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I'm really sorry I joined so late.
It's okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah.
She's a teacher. She's a teacher in DAV, BPS, Nisha ji, or
No, DAV.
We are so fortunate that there are people who can contribute here and help make our task lighter. Yeah. So second question: how much rain falls in February in millimeter?
109.
109. Absolutely. How many inches of rain do they receive in May?
2.8.
8 inches of rain.
May.
2.8.
Absolutely, 2.8. And what's the average temperature in August in Fahrenheit? Sorry. Yeah. What's the average temperature in August in Fahrenheit?
59.
59.
59.
Absolutely.
I could
Now, if you observe, while answering these questions, you looked for very specific information. September, you directly went to September. You did not go here and there. Now, that's what you are supposed to do when you are looking for a specific information. Yeah? Generally, when you look at the back of any chips packet, or ଯେତେବେଳେ କିଏ ଗୋଟେ ବିନା ପିଆଜ ରସୁଣର ମସଲା ଖୋଜୁଥାଏ ସେ directly ଯିବ କୋଉଠି ingredients ଟା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଇଆଡେ ସେଡେ ଆଉ ଯିବନି. When you are checking the expiry date, you straight away go to that white space where you have the price on the expiry date and manufacturer date, right? So
And
this
your
is what
favorite example, Nani, your favorite example, you search for the timing of the food in a marriage party, in an invitation card. That's the scanning that we urgently do. We are not interested about who is getting married. We are interested about the food.
Yeah, so that's how you do when you scan something looking for specific information.
Yes.
Okay.
Very nice.
Okay, so this is the last task that we will be doing. Okay, I need you to read this dialogue, and this is a task which was designed by me to be published in a book. So you can just take a look, quickly read the dialogue. It's between two friends. And after you read it, you need to answer a few questions.
Can we have a dialogue? Can we ask people to read it loudly, Nani? That would be better.
That will be great. That will be great.
Maybe two people can come ahead, guys. Khagapati or Sapan, Sharanya, whoever, self-nominate.
There are two people
Yes,
in
ma'am.
the dialogue. So one of you can take the role of Pratigya, another one can take the role of Pratik.
Khagapati and Sapan both have unmuted themselves. You can go ahead now.
Yeah, please.
Okay, so shall I start?
Please go ahead.
please.
Okay, so starting from Pratigya, the weather is bad today. In fact, it is horrible. I would love to go for a walk, but I feel it will rain continuously.
Pratik, perhaps you are right. Probably the sun will show up later.
I hope so. Hey, I'm organizing a party this Sunday. Would you like to join us?
That is great. I would love to attend the party. Thanks for inviting me. Anyway, who else are going to come for the party?
Actually, some friends have not confirmed yet, but Shubham and Sushila are going to help with decoration and cooking.
Then I will also help.
Really? Would you? That would be wonderful.
I'll pack a cake.
That sounds tempting. My cousins from Hyderabad is going to be there. I know they will love it.
Hyderabad. Then maybe I'll cook biryani.
Hey, don't you worry. They will love your cake too.
Okay then, done. Is there going to be any theme for the party?
Not really. It is just an occasion to have fun and a get together.
I'm sure it will be loads of fun. Loads of fun. Okay.
But I am going to hire a clown.
Are you serious? A clown?
Wait, I'll just. Yeah, this is the.
As a kid, I always wanted a clown in the party. Now, I am going to get a clown for my own party.
I'm sure all of us will have a very good laugh.
Yes, that is the plan.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So, thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Sapan and Khagapati. And you people read the dialogue as it's, the actual plan is going between two characters.
The actual conversation between the characters.
Absolutely.
So, if I could be accessing Deepika's mind, Suchinani, she feels like she is taking an IELTS reading session now. Is it, Deepika?
Yes.
Good practice. Yes. Reading skills. She's doing her reading skills part now. Yeah, good practice.
Okay, so why do you think Pratigya is not going out?
Because the weather is bad.
Absolutely, the weather is bad. And what does Pratik think may happen regarding the weather?
Sharanya, you can respond. You have heard the text or read it while they were.
The sun may show up. The sun may show up.
Yeah, the sun may show up later, but since the first question is regarding the weather, the second question is also related to the weather. So Pratik also thinks the weather may be worse, but the sun may show up later. So, yeah, so the weather may be worse. And why does Pratik change his mind to cook biryani?
Because Pratigya's cousins are from Hyderabad.
Absolutely. And why does Pratigya not want to keep any theme for the party?
She is hiring a clone.
Because she
Sorry?
just wants to have a get together.
Absolutely. And what do you think Pratigya's plan for entertainment?
She is hiring a clone.
She is hiring a clown.
She's hiring a clown. Yeah.
Everybody likes to answer that. Yes.
Right. So with this, we end the task. If you observe some of the questions, you have direct answers, which are directly given in the text. And for some answers, you had to think a bit. Yeah. And for some answers, you had to understand, okay, this is not said explicitly, but this might mean this. Yeah. So as we discussed in that slide, that as part of reading, we need to do all these things. Yeah, inferencing, making predictions while reading the dialogue. You would be predicting in mind, okay, picnic jo party plan hochi next con. And if you observe the dialogue carefully, I had made certain words in bold, yeah, and that's, see, the words like perhaps, probably, but, and these words, if you notice, they maintain the flow of the dialogue or maintain the flow of the text. And if you reread the dialogue without these words, you will understand what difference the use of these words make to the original text. So we need to remember while reading, yeah, you have to pay attention to these things, so that if you understand these aspects well, then you can produce this in your writing and in your speaking. ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ କଥା ଭାବନ୍ତି, it's not always one thing. ସେଟା କେବଳ listening ନୁହଁ, କେବଳ speaking ନୁହଁ, କି କେବଳ reading ନୁହଁ, କେବଳ writing ନୁହଁ. To be fluent or to be proficient in any language means we need to understand, and we need to understand all the skills well, all 4 skills. So I think with this we will move to Swagatika, who will give us more practice that we have learned, that how do we use these reading skills in our speaking skills.
Yes.
Didi, could I make one point here if you allow me?
Please, Deepika.
Okay, so all the words that you've highlighted, actually, but then these can also be called as linkers or connectors, which can actually signpost the idea of the speaker. Where is it exactly going? Is the speaker trying to make a new point, or is he trying to contradict the idea that he already made?
Deepika, can I request you to elaborate the word signpost in easier terms?
Showing the direction to what exactly the speaker is trying to say.
Absolutely. Thank you, Deepika, for explaining it so well.
Thank you for allowing me first.
My pleasure. Swagatika, I think you can start.
Yes. Would you stop screen sharing, Nani?
Yeah, wait, let me do that. Did it stop?
Yes. I think it did. Let me share my screen and
No, ma'am, you have to click on that blue color stop sharing, and then
Stop
it will.
sharing.
Okay.
Yes,
Done?
ma'am. Now it's done.
Yes.
Right.
So how much time we have?
It's 4:05, but I think we can extend it. No problem. If
Okay. So as we have, guys, just a minute. Are you all able to see the screen?
yes, ma'am.
You are able to, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah. So what we were doing in Suchi Nani's class, Suchi ma'am's class, just an extension of that. Okay. We learn the receiving skills, the receptive skills, as we say. So, Nani, you have logged in from 2 accounts. Would you please? The voice is echoing. Is my voice echoing or yours?
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is echoing. Maybe
Mine?
if yeah, ma'am, Suchismita ma'am, if you can log out from your mobile.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes, ma'am. It's
Is it
done
okay?
now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for a quite entertaining session, Suchinani. I think mine. Let me log out and log back again, guys.
Sure, ma'am.
Give me a minute.
So, how was ma'am's class? If anyone can unmute themselves and can speak, or in the chat box.
Thank you so much, Subhranshu. I would love to hear that, so that it helps me, improving and adding things.
No, ma'am, I am quite sure it doesn't need any sort of improvisation, but the class was very, very,
Absolutely. Very relieving. Yeah. So, guys, I would not have to speak much here, as we all know that it's an interactive session. whatever we received, the receptive skills, readings are called as the receptive skills, and you have to apply that. Speaking or the productive skills, we have to interact now. I would be giving some topics to you, which I think you could participate. Here are some topics, and then I would be giving some language support so that it can help you talk about this. So as we are talking about the interaction, let me show the correct slide. Yeah. So as we are talking about the interaction, guys, interaction means to talk to each other, right? What is happening? You cannot see the screen again, Subhranshu? Yeah.
No, ma'am, it's black. Maybe you minimized it.
So minimizing takes it away.
Yeah, if you don't share the entire screen, maybe minimizing takes it away. You must have shared your window, I think.
Yeah, I did that because there are 2 slides I'm showing.
So you can stop sharing and you can share your entire screen so that 2 slides can be shared all together. Yeah.
Do that, yeah. But entire screen is something else.
Yeah. Now it's you can switch over and it will be all right.
Let me see if I know how to switch over. I don't. Let me do what I'm comfortable with, Subhranshu.
Sure, ma'am.
I'm wasting the time otherwise. Yes.
Subhranshu, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, by the time Swagatika organizes the topics for all the participants, I would just like to fill in what she started. That if you had read the poster, it's about social interaction. Let us just tell you what we mean by social interaction. You know, you all understand the term social and interaction. Now, let's not think social interaction is always a formal kind of interaction. It's an interaction that takes place between 2 people. Yeah, तमे तम सांग सहित कथा होछ आज क्लास बंक करके को मूवी देखिया को जिबा बापा मां को कन्विंस करछ मते एटा इथरा आनी दियो मु देखिबो नेक्स्ट एग्जाम रे कोन करी पकेइबी राइट तमे जेते गोटे एडवर्टाइजमेंट होर्डिंग पढुछ इस मॉडलटा एमितिया चसला पिंथिले भल लागि थांदा राइट दैट्स आल्सो इंटरेक्शन
Yes.
now I जदी if you categorize interaction it's formal and informal जेतले सांग सहित कथा होछ बापा मां सहित कथा होछ निजे निजे होर्डिंग देखि किना भाबुछ सेटा informal but formal interaction is when you are interacting in a formal situation principal को जाई कि कोई परिबने सर इच्छा ला बंक मार की मूवी पढेली ना you cannot talk to him like that now that interaction is formal leave application lekhibo chutti darkhast lekhibo that's formal interaction so here we would be learning that what are the certain basic things that or basic rules we must follow while interacting in a formal scenario. Formally, तुमको जहाँ इच्छा जमती इच्छा तुम्हें कही पारिबो. But in a formal scenario, there is a decorum to be followed. Yeah. Yes, Swagatika. Let's.
So guys, so let's make it a jam. So as you could see, there is a board in front of all of you. Okay, with some 79 or 78 topics, which are simple conversation topics. As Suchinani rightly pointed out, interaction doesn't always mean there's a hard and fast rule that you need to take care of rules and regulations. Here are some topics that we can take a rapid fire round. So in a minute, how many points can you make from one topic? Okay, we can take that and it could be like, how as much as the topics you want. You can take as many topics you want. We will take it on a turn basis. After speaking, you can say I am done and then we move to the other person. Okay, so the screen is right in front of you. We have topics that we usually talk to our friends, our parents, or in a job interview, or when somebody asks us something, or to a stranger. So many situations, interactions can happen. Yeah, you are good to go now, guys. Sapan, Khagapati. I don't know who are the participants here. Yes. Sharanya, Sapan, you all can see the screen. Suchina, you can see the screen, right?
Yes, ma'am, the screen is visible. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Swagatika, we can see it.
There's a board game here, and it's very clearly saying speaking board game. which is
Sangeetika, you may just read the topics aloud because the font is not visible.
okay.
It's not clear.
Is the font bigger now? Now is it bigger? No.
No, it's
Yes, ma'am, it is visible, but
not changed.
Okay.
Yeah, let me read. So the first it says with start, and the second topic says your job or your studies, which means you have to speak about your job or your studies, what you think about that, what you aim, anything that comes to your mind. Last weekend, what did you do your last weekend? Saturdays or Sundays? Your family, the weather today, a hobby, your town or village, music you like. Ask the teacher a question. What will you do after the lesson? Something you are proud of. What frightens you? Is crime a big problem? What makes you sad? Something expensive you bought. Something you want to change. Do you use internet? Are women the best managers? Something you want badly. A favorite website. Something you don't like. A nice park. A great film. Do we need universities? Do you waste time? What we all do. A good teacher. Can we save the planet? Do you like shopping? So many things. All what we talk on a daily basis, guys. So you could pick up anything and just start the conversation or interaction, so to say. Come on, begin. Who would like to initiate? 2-3 lines per topic is enough. Sharanya, Sapan, Khagapati, or Chitra Sen. Chandrakanti is a new joinee here. There are near about 70 topics. You can choose anything you want. You can take topics back to back as well. Yeah.
anyone who wants to volunteer, please go first.
They are making some points in the mind, perhaps.
Okay, ma'am, sorry, but actually I had a doubt regarding this exercise. If you may allow me to ask.
Sure, please.
We need to choose a particular topic and speak about it for a minute, or we need to speak about as many topics as we can in a minute.
That's what I said. As many topics as you can. And when the other person is ready, you might stop. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
So I can speak. Sorry.
Jam session is something what you can do the way you like. Someone.
Okay.
Is it?
Yes, ma'am. So I'm starting now. Forgive any mistakes that I may make.
No problem with that. We are
Starting from my studies, I am right now aiming to study my undergraduate. Last weekend I was at my uncle's house having a lots of fun. My family is a sweet little nuclear family with my little sister, my mother, father, my parents, and my grandfather. The weather today is very pleasant here. I hope it doesn't rain though. Hobby, I love to read books. Town or village, I live in Bargarh, Odisha. Music you like, I like slow music. Most probably, preferably Kishore Kumar. Ask teacher a question. That's the difficult one. What will you do after lesson? I would generally prank my friends or play with them. What makes you angry? Sometimes not getting heard, sometimes being ignored make me really angry. A great book. I would suggest Amish Tripaঠি's trilogy, Siva trilogy. Most probably The Oath of Vayuputras. A mistake you made. I cannot quite remember that fast. Sorry. Something you learned. I learned many things today.
Anybody would like to pitch in or would like Sapan to continue? This is how jam session works, right, Sachinane? Yes.
Actually, in jam sessions, we give a particular time that within 1 minute they have to finish.
Yeah. as people are not turning up.
I
they
would
want
like to join in if I'm allowed.
Subhranshu.
Yeah, please, Subhranshu.
Come
Yeah,
on in.
so your taste in clothes. I like wearing light color clothes, cotton clothes especially. A great holiday. I would love to go to Europe for a holiday. Food I like, whatever my mom cooks, I like it.
Wow.
And a pet. I love birds, especially parrots. And a famous person. Everyone over here is a famous person. No, so especially a famous person. Okay, Amitabh Bachchan. Your boss, your teacher, both the teachers today who taught us so many things, they are my favorite. A favorite website. Okay, so there's this website called LibGen from which I can read as many books as I want. Something you want badly, I want to travel somewhere very badly. Are women the best managers? Yeah, it depends. Men and women, both of them. Do you use the internet? Yes, I use. Something you want to change? Climate crisis that is going on. People need to be aware of that. Something expensive you bought. Recently, my laptop. What makes you sad? If someone is saying like false allegations against someone. Is crime a big problem? Yes, but not for crime novels. It's not a big problem. What frightens you? Insects. And something you are proud of? My parents. Okay, I wish to pass on it to someone else. Please, come on, pick it up. Anyone else who wants to take part?
Yes, guys, anybody's?
Okay, ma'am, can I?
Taranya, sure.
Okay, someone you don't like. I like everyone who is nice with me. A nice park. There's a park behind my house and a great film. Recently, I watched that famous film Bahubali. The best way to make money. I don't know. A dream you had. I had a dream to go to Paris, your home. I migrate in every 2 years. Ask the teacher a question. I don't have a question now. A special place. I want to travel to Goa. A scandal. What is a scandal? I don't know. A great party. I want to do a party with my friends, but COVID is not around me. An opportunity you had. Today I had a great opportunity to learn many things from both of the teachers. A good way to relax. Reading books. My best characteristic. I don't know your idea of a perfect weekend. Okay, go and travel. Okay, ma'am, this much.
Okay. Who else? Who else would participate? Come on. Who else would participate?
Hello, ma'am.
Khagapati wants to participate. Yes.
Do you like your name? I like my name so much, ma'am. It's the name of God, Hindu's God. Second one is, do you waste your time? I try to don't waste it, but at the going on, it's flow with the time, ma'am. Do you need universities? It's university is a universal truth that if you want to gather knowledge, then universities are much more needed. A bad habit that is I cannot mix myself with other very easily. Your idea of a perfect weekend. Generally, I love to visit new places for trekking. I love to do this in weekend. My best characteristic that is I can sing, ma'am. I think I can sing in a better way. A good way to relax. That is taking a nap, ma'am. An opportunity you had. till now I have come across with the opportunities, and I have had it, ma'am. That's much, ma'am.
Nice, nice. Almost everybody is participating. It's good to know. Though they are tired, I don't know whether they are reluctant or not. Still, they are participating. Thank you so much. Anybody else who would like to, or we could wind up the session with Suchinani saying something.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Pragatika?
yeah. Please,
Yeah,
please.
first thing is let's thank everybody for participating so actively post lunch in a post lunch session. Usually in
Yes.
post lunch we all would like to have a
And we
relaxed.
also tried to adjust. They also tried. We also adjusted with the timings, and they acceded to that. We are also thankful enough.
Yeah.
The session was supposed to be at 2, and we deferred it till 2:30. And I think that's one of the reasons why many couldn't turn up. They were confused with the timings.
Probably. Yeah.
Yeah,
So what we would like to say is the interaction part that these 80 topics that Swagatika showed you or showed us was actually a clue just to get us going to talk about something and interacting, expressing. Here you interacted virtually. But when we talk about interaction in general, that we need to remember few points. Whatever you interact, with whom you are interact, these are the basic rules that we all must remember. First things we must remember, we must be very, very clear about our message or about the content that we are trying to interact. Yeah, आमे कौन कहिबाकू बा कौन जणैबाकू चाहुचंती कौन सिखेबाकू चाहुचंती सेई जिंस विषय हमकू एकदम क्लियर हबार अछि प्रथमे. अदरवाइज आमे निजे भी द्वंद्व रे पड़िबा और जहा सहित आमे जहा कु जणैबाकू चाहुतबा जहा सहित कथा हेबाकू चाहुतबा सिए भी द्वंद्व रे पड़िबो. If we are not clear about what we are trying to say or what we are trying to write or what we are trying to convey, then we will be also confused and we will also let the other person get confused. So it's very important to have clarity in your thought, what you want to communicate. Yeah. Second thing is we must remember that with whom we are interacting. आमे कहा सहित interact करिबाकू चाहुचंती. Is it a formal situation or is it a informal situation? आमे घरे बापा मां को किछि कन्विंस करियाकू चाहुचंती ना परिबा बजार आमे बार्गेनिंग करिबाकू चाहुचंती ना आमे निज मन भितर इंटरैक्ट करचंती कोनोसी पोस्टर देखिकी कोनोसी एडवर्टाइजमेंट देखिकी कोनोसी मैच देखिकी ना आमे क्लासरूम रे सांग मानक सहित इंटरैक्ट करचंती ना खेल पड़िया रे आमे कहा सहित इंटरैक्ट करचंती ना क्लासरूम रे टीचर को किछि कहउचंती ना प्रिंसिपल को सहित कोनोसी मीटिंग रे अछंती. व्हाट इज द सिचुएशन वी आर इन and who is the other person before us with whom we would like to interact? Accordingly, we will frame our thought and we will frame our language. आमे कहा सहित इंटरैक्ट करिया को चाहुचंती जानिले आमे सेही हिसाब रे आमे केमिति कहिबा कोन कहिबा तमे बापा मां को सहित भाई भौणी सहित सांग मानक सहित जेमती कथा हबो डेफिनेटली जने वयस्क व्यक्ति बा जने तमर जे भी स्कूल रे पढौचंती बा प्रिंसिपल तांको सहित सेमती कथा हेबोनी. Right, so we need to remember this. Then next thing comes, which is the language aspects. Whichever language you choose, English ho, Odia ho, Hindi ho, we must know the basic principles of framing a sentence or constructing a sentence. Sentence construction, the basic rules aman janithiba darkar. And someone I think when while speaking said to be forgiven if making any mistakes. But let's remember all that making mistakes is a part of learning. We all make mistakes, and as long as we make mistakes, we keep learning. So don't be afraid of that. Jemti ki mu prathame kahithili, English is just a different language and we haven't had enough exposure in the language. That's why probably we are a little reluctant or hesitant to use the language. But the more you use, the more proficient you become. So आमको बहुत प्रैक्टिस करबा को अछि, बहुत प्रैक्टिस करबा को अछि. आमे जत्ते प्रैक्टिस करबा आमे सेते कॉन्फिडेंट होबा, सेते भलो भाबरे को व्यवहार करि परिबा. And in terms of reading, let's not restrict ourselves only to reading the academic books or the prescribed textbooks. Read whatever you get. तमे जहा पारिबो सेटा पढ़िबो, जहा पारिबो. When I say, it means be it an advertisement, be it a newspaper, be it a short story book or jemti ki Sharanya I guess was saying that comic books choto pilankara story book karan tame jette prakara jinsa padhibo you will be clear in your mind that genre specific things gote short story kemti lekha jaye gote chithi lekhile kemti lekha jaye gote newspaper article kemti lekha jaye, right? So these are the basic things I guess we must remember, and remember while interacting let's not be violent. Yes, Lagatika.
And Suchinani, so far as reading is concerned, it has become easier and handy these days. If you don't have a book or if you have forgotten a book somewhere, the phone or the system is always with you. You have, as Subhranshu said, some site lib jam or something where he can read as many books as possible. So that's how it gets easier to read. It's not necessary that you need to have a physical book for you to read, right?
Yeah, and when you interact, let's remember that not to be furious, not to be agitated. Jo bhadi situation, it's a misconception that the louder you speak, you are heard fast. No, that's not always the case. Shouting always doesn't help, right? If you are trying to make an opinion, you can also do it in a very calm and composed manner, speaking in an organized way. So it's an organization or the coherence of thought is very important. ମୁଁ କାହା ପରେ କ'ଣ କହିବି, କାହା ପରେ କ'ଣ ଲେଖିବି, ସେଇଟା ଆମେ ପ୍ରଥମରୁ ଜାଣି ରଖିବା ବହୁତ ଜରୁରୀ, and for which we need to practice. ଯେମିତିକି ଫର୍ମାଲ ସିଚୁଏସନ୍ସରେ ତମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ କିଛି ଇଣ୍ଟରାକ୍ଟ କରିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛ ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ it's always advised that practice, make a rough plan. ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଜିନିଷରେ ଯେମିତି ଆମକୁ ମାନେ ଯେମିତି କ'ଣ କି ଚାଉଳଟା ଗରମ ହେବା ପରେ ଆମେ ପାଣିଟା ଗରମ ହେବା ପରେ ହିଁ ଚାଉଳ ପକେଇଲେ ଠିକ ସେ ଭାତ ହେବ। ଯଦି ଥଣ୍ଡା ଚାଉଳରେ ଥଣ୍ଡା ପାଣିରେ ତମେ ଚାଉଳ ପକେଇ ଦବ ତାହେଲେ ଭାତଟା ଠିକ ସେ ହବନି। Similarly, even for your thought process when you're presenting, there is a sequence, there is a serial that we must maintain. କାହା ପରେ କୋଉଟା କହିଲେ ଭଲ ହେବ ବା କାହା ପରେ କୋଉଟା କହିଲେ ଆମେ ଯୋଉଟା କହିବାକୁ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା clearly ବୁଝା ପଡିବ, ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ଆମେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଜାଣି ରଖିବା ଉଚିତ, for which we must practice or always try to prepare a rough plan before you interact. And these things, if you practice in general in any language, it will make you a very proficient user of language. I think with this I just like to Swagatika to add if she has something, and then we can wind up.
And Suchinani very beautifully said almost everything. I need to just add or extend to her whatever she said it. The key term called practice. Guys, whatever thing it may be, the more we practice, as it is said, practice makes a man perfect. So practice makes everybody perfect. Isn't it? Go on reading, read anything you like, speak, as she said, make a proper plan and try to speak, practice speaking with your friends, try speaking at your home with your siblings. Okay, try to create opportunities. It's not necessary that you need to have, because you might not be having such sessions every day. Or you might not be available at particular sessions also. So try to create opportunities for learning. And nothing is difficult for you. As Suchinani said in the beginning, try to take hold of things which are at your arm's length. So whichever way possible, we need to create opportunities for us.
Ma'am is having problems with the network, I guess.
And
I guess we can wind up Subhranshu in that case.
Yes, ma'am, we can. Ma'am is speaking something, I think.
Yeah, I think so.